video is about the Reolink Video Doorbell Wi-Fi camera. It was sent over for my honest review, so let's go over everything. So everything you need is included in the box.
And of course that includes the instructions for setup, installation, and operation, as well as all the hardware and accessories needed for assembly and installation of the camera itself.
And here are a few major points that I want to go over. First, let's talk about setup. So setup was really easy to do. There is a Reolink app that you just download onto your phone, and it pretty much guides you through exactly what you need to do in order to get the camera set up. This only took a few minutes to do. Once you follow through all the steps, you're good to go. Next, I want to talk about installation. Now, this is where I struggled a little bit.
There are two methods of installation: using your existing doorbell wiring or using the power adapter.
It does not come with rechargeable batteries, which I assumed it did. So that was a learning curve.
Then I chose the wireless option to connect to my network, and instead of using my existing doorbell chime, I'll be using the one that comes with the camera.
I chose to install it using my original doorbell placement, but that turned out to not be the easiest thing for me. The location where my original doorbell is quite low, so you wouldn't be able to see a good angle of the camera. So I did have to adjust it, and I'll have to figure out a situation to make sure that the wires aren't exposed in the future. Additionally, I did have some issues with the anchors, but I'm not sure what the problem was. I ended up having to replace them with my own anchors, and then everything went smoothly after the fact. The next thing I want to talk about is the quality of the camera. So the camera itself seems to be made of mostly plastic, but it seems quite durable, and it has a really sleek, elegant look. And let's not forget the picture quality. I'm very pleased with the picture quality in the daytime, but even more so with night vision. There are some great features about it. You do have two storage options.
You can use it with the Reolink NVR,
where you can actually save the videos for playback onto a micro SD card that you install in the back of the camera before mounting it. Here are my final thoughts. If I were to rate this product, I would give it an 8.5 out of 10. Only because the installation is not the simplest thing to do if your doorbell is not in the ideal location for placement. Overall, I say it's a great product, and it will definitely help you to feel more safe in your home.